everyone, and welcome back to the Breakdown How-To. Today I'm actually not doing a how-to video, but I thought this was relevant to this channel. We do tons and tons and tons of videos on websites, building blogs, doing all that stuff. They're going to be flashing at the eye up there throughout this entire video. But because of that, a lot of people ask us, what web host should I go with? What web host should I use? So I thought I would go ahead and do a top 5 video of the 5 best web hosts that you can expect to use in 2018. I don't know if that made any sense, but basically, this is my ranking of the top 5 best hosts currently available on the market in 2018. But before we get into the video, I do want to mention that all of the links in the description are affiliate links, and if you do go and buy through those links, it does help support our channel. However, that's not had any effect on the ranking of this video because they're all affiliate links. Nevertheless, let's go ahead and get on into it. So, first and foremost, let's talk about the one that we personally use for every single website that we have, and that is Bluehost. Now, as far as price goes, Bluehost doesn't have a monthly option. You just can't pay monthly, but most of these don't have monthly options, as you'll come to see. However, as far as 1 year of hosting goes, it's going to cost $95.40. Bluehost has an uptime of 99.98% uptime for the past 12 months preceding this video being made, so pretty awesome stuff there. In regards to support, they do have live chat, which is what I absolutely love, being able to sit and talk to somebody in live chat, be able to send screenshots, things like that. That's kind of my bar for web hosting support. That's what I like to see. And as far as getting someone on that live chat, the average response time is 3 minutes, which is about on par for the rest of the industry, as you'll see with this video. Now, the kicker for us in Bluehost, and one of the reasons we stay there and have stayed there for years, is because of their WordPress hosting. Every single website set up with Bluehost by default has WordPress on it. So if you want to build a WordPress site, whether it's a WordPress site for your business, a WordPress blog, whatever it is, that's awesome, and it's great to do it with Bluehost. They're affordable, and you get free SSL for all your WordPress sites and a free domain when you sign up. Awesome stuff overall. We use Bluehost ourselves, and I cannot recommend them enough. Their uptime has been incredible for us. Their support has been bar none, and yeah, I love them, so go check them out. The first link down below. But what about the second link down below? Well, that is going to be Wix. And I know that's probably a little different, not what you were expecting. But the thing is, if you're just wanting a simple web page for your business, Wix is the one to go with. We have tons of videos here on Wix, and we absolutely love them for simple websites, for businesses, or for e-commerce. If you're looking to do either one of those things, Wix is incredible. They also have a great blogging platform. When I tried Wix's blogging platform for the first time, it blew my flipping mind, guys. I did not expect it to be as good as it was, and it was absolutely incredible. As far as price goes, though, Wix comes in with a monthly price of $7.50 a month, and you can get a yearly website at Wix for $60. They don't have a public uptime registry, right? Any way for me to calculate uptime over the past year, but it seems that it's up 99.9% of the time because I've not been able to have any issues or seen any complaints about Wix websites ever going down, so that is awesome. They have 24/7 ticket support. However, phone support is limited to just Monday through Friday, 5 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Now, if they had a live chat and had limited phone support, that would be fine, but they don't. If you have a problem with a Wix site, you have to submit a ticket and hope somebody gets back to you on the weekend. You don't have a guarantee. With that being said, though, it's kind of hard to mess up a Wix site. See, on Bluehost or SiteGround, which we're about to talk about, you could mess up your site. You could move a file the wrong way or something like that and screw your site up and need them to help fix that. However, with Wix, that's not an issue. It's what you see is what you get. You want to move something there, you move it there. You don't like it, you undo it. It is that simple, and that is the thing about Wix. If you have no website experience and just want to set up an affordable website for your business as a blog, something like that, Wix is the way to do it. Also, all of their sites do come stock with SSL, and depending on the plan you go with, you can get a free domain with your sign up. So, incredible stuff. They're the second link down below. We love Wix for very simple sites, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Moving on to number 3 on our list, I've already mentioned them. They are SiteGround, and SiteGround is great for setting up your own website. They also have incredible WordPress options, and their monthly price is $18.90 for a 1-month trial. They don't have true monthly pricing, but you can get a 1-month trial for $18.90. With that being said, though, you have to pay a $14.95 setup fee, which I don't like too much. But nevertheless, if you want to try them out, you can do that for about 30 bucks. Which is pretty cool. As far as the yearly price goes, this is what I would recommend paying. It comes in at $47.40. Their uptime is pretty good, about industry average at 99.98% uptime. So you don't have to worry about your site ever going down for any extended period of time. So that's great. No worries there. Your site is going to be up for the long term. They have industry-leading live chat support with a 2-minute response time, meaning that within 2 minutes of submitting your live chat request, you will be on chat with somebody helping you out. That is absolutely incredible. I've waited for a very long time at places like GoDaddy, 30, 40 minutes. And the fact that they have this in a 2-minute average is incredible. Now, one thing I will mention, for that $47.40 plan, you're only getting 10,000 hits a month on average. Literally, on our website, thebreakdown.xyz, we would be through that in less than a week. So that's something you got to keep in mind. Actually, it would take us like 4 days to get through 10,000 hits over there. That is not going to work for us. SiteGround is not good for big traffic blogs and things like that. If you're a smaller, very niche blog and you don't expect to get tons and tons of traffic, this will work great. Or specifically, if you're an e-commerce store that only plans to get 5,000 hits a month, but from those they're going to convert quite a few people and making a decent amount of money from it, then guess what? SiteGround is going to be incredible. Great uptime, great support, free SSL, and free domain with sign up. Everything you would want for an e-commerce store. You can host a WordPress site with SiteGround, but the thing is, you're limited on traffic, so if you want your blog or your business website to get tons and tons of exposure, there are better options out there. But yeah, that is the downside of SiteGround. You can check SiteGround out, 3rd link down below. Nevertheless, moving on to number 4 on our list, let's go ahead and talk about InMotion Hosting. InMotion does not have a monthly plan. As I said, most of these do not have true monthly plans, neither did SiteGround, but you can get InMotion Hosting for $89.52 a year. They have an average uptime of 99.97%, so right there about average in the industry. To match with SiteGround, they actually have a live chat response time of just 2 minutes, which also is just incredible to me that this is becoming an average for live chat response time. Thank God it is too, because man oh man, I'm sick and tired of having to wait and wait and wait for live chat. And now with Bluehost, SiteGround, and InMotion being less than 3 minutes, we're moving somewhere that I'm liking. The thing is, while SiteGround's good for self-hosted sites or e-commerce stores, InMotion is incredible at WordPress. Now sure, you can also do self-hosted sites over here, but the thing is, these guys are great as far as quickness goes and being able to do custom stuff and upload via FTP. You can do all of that stuff without any problems with InMotion, and they encourage it, which is great. It's awesome to see a budget and less expensive host let you do that stuff. They of course do come with a free domain and free SSL for all of their websites. However, that cheap plan for that $89.52 price that we mentioned earlier is limited to just 20,000 hits a month. Well, it's not limited, but that's what they suggest, meaning to me that you're gonna have trouble keeping up with more than, like 750,000 hits a day on this hosting plan. So that's something to keep in mind if you're going to be running a more high traffic site. Now moving on to the budget option, number 5 on our list, One-and-One Hosting. Now they don't have a monthly plan, but what's unique about One-and-One is you can get 12 months of hosting with a free domain and free SSL for just $11.88. Yeah, you heard that right. For just $11.88, you can get a year of hosting with a free domain and free SSL. Now, that does come with some downsides. You're not going to have as quick of a site, and their uptime is 99.97, which sure is about average for what we've seen here, but you're going to really notice the slowdowns as far as load time and things like that goes in comparison to other ones here, because they're just cheaper. After a year, your hosting price is going to go up some though, so keep that in mind. But if you're just looking to get started in your first year to see how things go, the One-and-One Hosting budget option is good for you. One-and-One does not have any live chat support, however, but again, it's $11.88 a year. However, they do have 24/7 live chat support. So awesome stuff there, and overall, they're just a great budget option, and you can host a WordPress site over there or do your own HTML site if you want to, so you have some options. You can check out One-and-One at the 5th link down below. Nevertheless, guys, what did you think about this video? What did I miss? Let me know in the comments section down below. This has been a bit of a different breakdown how-to video. If you enjoyed it, again, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We make tons of awesome web hosting tutorials here every single day of the week. My name is Nick. This has been the Breakdown How To, and I'm out, guys. Peace.